friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to refill the cartridge of Canon pixma inkjet printer. Now I am going to open the cabinet. Then pull the cartridge like this and pull down the cartridge gently and then take it out. Here you can see two cartridges. One. Now you can see two cartridges, one for color ink and one for black ink. First remove the sticker. Here you can see a spot inside. We have to make a hole in it to refill. In the color ink, you have to make 3 holes. Here you have to refill magenta color, here cyan color, and here yellow color. Hold a nail in a glass and heat it on gas stove burner until it becomes red. Now it is hot. Press it gently and pull it out. Be careful because it can damage the sponge in the cartridge. Now see, this is black color, magenta, cyan and yellow. I have already filled the syringe with each color. Now I am going to refill it. Now the top hole is for magenta color. Now the left side hole is for cyan color. Now the right hole is for yellow color. We have to refill only 4 ml for color ink, but for black ink we have to refill 8 ml. Now fix back the sticker and rest it for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes I will fix the cartridge back. Now see, here you have to fix color ink cartridge and here black ink cartridge. It is very simple way to fix it back. Put the cartridge here in the case and slowly, gently push it back. Color black. Now this page. It is a photocopy, colored photocopy. Now the printer is working. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.